Yes, good afternoon, beta. Let's continue with the chapter congruence of triangle. In this, we have discussed three rules: triple S, SAS, ASA. Now let's start with your RHS, that is right hypotenuse side. Now we are going to start with the question on page number 148. Try, these are given. So let's start with the first part. Is exactly same as the previous questions that we have done earlier, but the rule of the name is changed. That is a little bit different. This is D, E, F. This is 6, 3, and 90. Now look here. As you can see that in this, the name of the triangle is PQR, and this, the name of the triangle is DEF. Triangle DEF. PQ is equal to DE is equal to 3 centimeter. These two sides are 3 centimeter. This is your PR equal to DF is equal to 6 centimeter. Angle Q is equal to angle E is equal to 90 degree. All these things are given. So this implies triangle PQR is congruent to triangle DEF by right. Right means right angle. Right means right angle. Hypotenuse means the side opposite to 90. And this is your another side. Right hypotenuse side. Ridhima, if you want me to unmute you, please on your video for a while.
Ma'am, DE is equal to 2.5.
Okay, this is 2.5. So that means these two are not equal. So triangles are not congruent. Okay. So that means triangles are not congruent because corresponding sides are not equal. Okay. Note it down. Then we'll start with the next part. Now, next part is second part. In this second part, I have drawn the figure and you have to prove these two triangles as congruent. So, name of the first triangle is in triangle ACB, BDA. Here in this AC is equal to BD, that is 2 centimeter. AB, here AB and here BA, both are 3.5. AB and BA both are 3.5 centimeter. And here angle C and in that angle D, both are equal to 90 degree. So this implies triangle ACB is congruent to BDA by right. इस right angle के सामने वाली side hypotenuse and this is the another side. So by RHS, right hypotenuse side triangles are congruent. And if two triangles are congruent, then can we say that their corresponding sides and their corresponding angles are equal? Okay. Now look here. Again, you have to show that these two triangles, can you see that two triangles are there in the same figure? That means something must be common. As AB was common in this, same AC will be common in these two. So what you will do? You will take triangle ABC in the same manner ADC. In triangle ABC and in triangle ADC. Angle here, angle B, and in this angle D, both are 90 degree each. In this CA, in this ABC, CA and AC, 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 both are common. AC, AC common. Length is not given, so you can write them as common. Now, this AB is 3.6, here AD is 3.6. So AB is equal to AD, that is 3.6 centimeter. So this implies triangle ABC is congruent to ADC by which property? Right. Right angle के सामने क्या है? Hypotenuse, and this is the another side. So by RHS, these two triangles are congruent. First question, fourth part, I am not discussing. That is exactly same. So do it at your own and tell me the answer. Hurry up, I am waiting. You all will tell me the three equal parts in that triangle. Do it, hurry up.
Triangle ABC and triangle RPQ. Angle B is equal to angle P is
Which
equal to
question?
90
Beta,
degree.
which question you are speaking?
Ma'am, question 1, fourth part.
Fourth part में तो दोबारा बोलो, नेम बोलो ट्रायंगल के.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. Triangle QSP and triangle RSP.
मैं वही देखूं, आप बोल तो कुछ और रही हो, फिगर कुछ और है. ट्रायंगल का नेम है PQSPRS.
Ma'am, it can be QSP and RSP.
Yes, yes, it's okay.
Okay. Ma'am, angle S is equal to angle S is equal to 90 degree.
एंगल एस नहीं लिखोगे आप, यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे?
Angle QSP and angle RSP.
हाँ जी, ठीक है, 90. Then
QP is equal to RP is equal to 3 centimeter. SP is equal to SP is equal to common.
yes.
Then triangle QSP is congruent to triangle RSP by RHS.
Okay, very good. Very good, very good. Now, Drishti, can you tell us question number 2? In question number 2, you have given the name of the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle RPQ. Angle B is equal to angle P is equal to 90 degree. AB is equal to RP. What additional information is needed to make these two triangles as congruent? Yes, Drishti?
Ma'am, angle, ma'am, sorry, AC is equals to RQ.
Actually, the name of the triangles are given. तो आपके पास B और नहीं, फिगर गिवन नहीं है बच्चे, फिगर नहीं गिवन है. तो ट्रायंगल एबीसी और आरपीक्यू, एक मिनट, बी पी के इक्वल है 90, ए बी सी, आर पी क्यू, ये 90, ए बी और आर पी इक्वल है. देन व्हाट? हाँ जी बोलो दृष्टि, क्या बोला था आपने?
मैम AC और RQ, AC is equals to RQ.
Okay, yes, yes. These two are equal and these are the hypotenuse of the triangle. These are the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. So this is the third thing that I want. AC should be equal to RQ. ये answer है. This third thing we require. Yes.
मैम जो फोर्थ पार्ट है क्वेश्चन 1 का, उसमें हम जो एंगल है वो ये लिख सकते हैं PSQ is equals to PSR.
हाँ जी लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है.
Okay मैम.
Yes, listen beta. Question number 2 that we have just done is your homework. ठीक है. Now question number 3. Hurry up. Everyone try this question and tell me the answer. BD and CE are the altitudes of the triangle. Altitude means perpendicular. Altitude means these are the two perpendiculars inside the triangle. Make the figure. Make the figure and tell me the solution, how you are going to solve it. Hurry up. Have you drawn the figure? Yes, Arshia.
State the three pairs of equal parts in triangle CBD and triangle BCE. Angle E is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. BD is equal to CE and
एक मिनट Arshia, let me draw the figure. A, B, C. In the question number 3, DE, BD and CE are the altitudes. They are given. BD is equal to CE. This is given. State the three pairs of equal parts in these two triangles. Equal parts बताने. Yes, बोलो.
angle E is equal to angle D 90 degree.
Angle E is equal to angle D 90. Very good.
BD is equal to CE altitudes.
Given लिखेंगे, given है. और altitudes हमेशा equal नहीं होते. That is given कि equal है, वैसे equal नहीं होते. ठीक है, हो भी सकते और नहीं भी, but not compulsory. Yes.
BC is equal to BC common.
हाँ जी, मैं आपको एक और बात बताऊं, अगर आप बेस वाला ट्रायंगल लेते हो तो BC कॉमन है, अगर आप ट्रायंगल एबीडी और एईसी लेते हो तो एंगल ए कॉमन है, आप ऊपर वाला ट्रायंगल भी ले सकते हो। समझ आई? अगर ऊपर वाले ट्रायंगल लेते हो, ये वाला और ये वाला, दो ट्रायंगल, ये वाला और ये वाला, तो एंगल ए कॉमन, वो भी चल जाएगा, ठीक है। बट हियर यू हैव टेकन बेस ट्रायंगल, क्योंकि ट्रायंगल गिवन थे, नहीं गिवन होते तो आप कुछ भी ले सकते, ठीक है। ये इक्वल कॉमन, these are the three pairs. Now in the second part, what you have to do is triangle congruent? Yes. What should I write here? These triangles are congruent by
RHS.
by RHS, right hypotenuse side. Next, is DCB equal to EBC?
Yes.
Why?
DCB, EBC.
DCB this angle, EBC this angle. Are these two angles equal? Are these two angles
Yes.
equal? Yes. By CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Because two triangles are congruent, so all its corresponding sides and all its corresponding angles are equal. So that's why these two angles are equal by CPCT. Is it clear? Okay, start next question and someone else will get the chance to tell the next answer. Do it. Fourth question. Fourth question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, answer.
Ma'am, angle D is equal to angle D common.
It's not D. Angle ADB,
Oh, ma'am, angle ADB is equal to angle ACD.
each 90.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, after that, this one, ma'am, AB is equal to AC.
Given. AD is equal to AD common. So these are the three equal pair. Now in the next part, you have to tell me, is triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC? Yes, by RHS, right hypotenuse side. Third part, is angle B is equal to angle C? So yes, B is equal to C by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Next is fourth part. In that you have to decide, is BD side is equal to CD? So in the fourth part, BD is equal to CD again by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Okay, so that's it for today. We have completed 4 questions from this. Try these, and your homework is you will do question number 2 and this question number 4 in the homework. Okay, got it? And those who haven't submitted their maths notebook for checking, they are directed to send their notebooks to me. Okay, if they want to get the marks in the internal assessment, they have to send, because notebook checking is a part of internal assessment. So you have to send it to me. Okay,